Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we build the new sprinkler system that we put in the container garden. Here's a clip from the show. Okay, we're out here in the garden. Do you notice anything new? Anything new in the garden? We have installed our sprinkler line, and for this garden there is 3 sprinklers. They're going to shoot about 15 feet, and that's going to take care of this garden. And I just wanted to show you what we like. This is how we do it. So if you come down here, so what we have here is, this is a 1-inch PVC line, and that has a hose attachment to it. So I just screw the hose to the attachment, and that pushes the water down here. Then we have a T. This is this piece here, and there's 2 different kinds of T's that you can get. And this T comes to a 1/2-inch line coming up. So this T here, it has a bushing in it. So this is glued into the pipe, and then you screw this on. And what that does is that gives you a little more strength, because you get 2 layers of plastic around here. Because if this gets kicked, once in a while I've hit them with the lawnmower, and that will break that T right there. So if you can get the kind with the bushing, so this glues in here, this glues into the pipe, and then we're going to screw the uprights in there. So your uprights, these are all Schedule 40. This is a 1/2-inch line, and it has threads on both ends that we've glued on here. And then this just screws into the pipe. And then on the top of that goes our sprinklers. So these are like Rainbird replacement sprinklers. So if you have the pop-up type sprinklers in the yard, or you can get these are just the replacement heads. These heads, this one's a full circle, so you can see in there's a full circle. They come in 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and full circle, so you can order whatever you want. So this piece goes on here, and then you take your filter screen, put it on there, and then this screws onto that. So this is how we assemble our sprinkler lines. We do put a piece of rebar in the ground, and we use this to support the line, because like I said, once in a while they'll get kicked or whatever, and it keeps them from flopping over. So the rebar is pounded down into the ground, and then we have a string here that we just tie this together, or you can put a piece of wire or whatever you want to hold these 2 things together. But we love this system. We use ditch water, which has a lot of dirt and stuff in it, and so we're not able to use drip lines here. And so this is like the next best thing. And the other beautiful thing about this system is we can take this out for the winter and store it. We can also move it around. I've been gardening here for 40 years, and once in a while I just get a wild hair and we move a garden. And so it's portable. We can cut it in half, make it shorter, longer. So really, really good system if you guys want to build it. It's very simple. I'll put a link in the description where you can go and find these heads. The PVC parts, you can find it pretty much any hardware store. All right, so these particular sprinklers, with the pressure that we have, they can shoot 15 feet, but we put these lines 12 feet apart so that we get a little bit of overlap with the water. So it's really important to have really good coverage. So you want to space them about 12 feet apart. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 2. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online. And you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.